In front of me is OUKITEL WP50, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then you can tap on one of those themes. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. If you want to customize it instead, tap on the same color palette. Then tap on this plus under My Themes. And tap on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done, manage key borders, and select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!